What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got another one in the Ryker hospital. This needs a lot of TLC. Check it out. Right, so got a Can Am Ryker in here, 2021, I believe. 900. Now, had an accident, messed up the front. Tried to fix the radiator, but now the fan's not coming off. He don't know. The fan's not coming on. He don't know what it is. So I'm gonna take the front off, check the fan, make sure it's good. Another thing also, and I tell you guys, let me show it to you. When you do your own wiring and you don't do it properly or secure the wires the right way, you'll get this melting effect. You see that? I don't know if you can see, it might be too dark, but that wire is melting. That's because, and I'm not saying that I'm a professional, but you have to be careful when you do your wiring. That's all I have to say when it comes to that. Because you will have a problem, and then you'll be wondering why your lighting doesn't work. It's because it melted the wires away. So what I'm gonna do to this one is work on the radiator, the fan, redo the front wrap. I'm gonna install the max mount brake light kit. I got a light kit coming from Irv McCoy, his light set, which is, I think, the brightest light kit for the price you can get right now, and it's plug and play. Also, I'm gonna do the front locking latch. So after that, yeah, so let's just get to work. So now we're gonna try to salvage that wrap and put it on this one. Let's get busy. More work, more work. Right.
My fishing partner lives right around here.
Yeah?
Yeah, he like right up the block around the corner. Cat I work with, he retired though. Older cat.
Maybe not. I don't know. It looks like it's not that busted up.
What, this?
Yeah. This. Wow. Yeah, I'm thinking, let me get my jack.
Because when I went in it, I heard this part. I heard something bang. I thought it was under my foot. I didn't even know. Parked my bike, got off, got back on. When I got to my truck to get the key out and I was walking back, I seen that front piece hanging on the ground. And I looked and I said, oh shit, my hood is. I said, I must have hit, when I hit that, whatever I hit, it just, you know.
Yeah. All right, let me get my jack. Let me see how bad it looks underneath.
Yeah, this rat, man, got me open. And I need some footboards.
Well, you get the footboards from my man over at Big Bike Parts. You get them for, you get 10% off.
Okay. I want the small one. I see you got the big ones.
Yeah, I got the tiny ones. You seen the ones I put on mine? I put the small ones on.
The little round ones, right? The little ones, right? Yeah, this is like they're a little too big.
Yeah, those are for like the spider.
Yeah. You got a hard time pressing that brake body.
How you get used to it, yeah.
Smaller ones, you got more access to the brake. How much they want for the smaller ones?
I'll show you the brochure.
Yeah, I wanted a new look for the summer, man.
I think they're in here. You can check to see the price. like it's all salvageable.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. The only thing is, alright, so you look under there, you'll see. This is cracked, right? But only under here. It's cracked.
Right.
So I could probably fix this with like a washer, this, but this is gonna be fucked up. If you wanna order another one, it's gonna look like this. It's not gonna go like that.
Right, it's gonna be straight up.
Yeah.
That's not too big of a deal.
I don't think so. But all of this, I could probably save this. All of this is saved.
Okay.
You won't have to buy one. I just need to get my hands on a nice size washer. And it'll hold everything up. Even this I can put back on. I have something here I can do right now. Let me see if I got anything. The Jackie from here.
Going back to LaGuardia.
Yeah. So the Jackie's gonna be go around the block, left, another left, Cooper.
Yeah, Cooper, yeah.
Cooper, take it right to the Jackie.
All right.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Another one in, real quick fix. In and out, in and out. Ryker doctor got him in and out. Little slight fender bender, but he good. Everything tight.
Yes, sir.
All right, bro.
My bike ain't seeing nobody but the Ryker doctor.
That's what's up.
Nobody.
Thank you. Okay. Everything is off. We checked the fan. Replaced the fan relay. That's the relay for the fan. That was bad. Now the fan is turning on. So now we're gonna work on a broken bracket. Let's see if I could show you. I might have to cut it off. All right, so you see that? It's twisted. Get some good light in there for you guys. See that all twisted and mangled up? That is the bracket. We're gonna see if we can cut that off and put something else there. So we're gonna install some under the max mount. I already have a video on how to do this. Link will be in the description below. So I'm not going to go through the whole process of taking it apart, showing you what screws have to go in there, what screws you need to take out, how to run the wires. The link of the description for the previous video will be in the card above. So we're going to add that. Already went around and we're just waiting for the lights and the wrap to be installed. Oh. And by the way, if you need any accessories for your Can Am Ryker, you go to Big Bike Parts. Showchrome has nothing but accessories, and if you need aftermarket accessories, use my discount code below, rolling on 3, you get 10% off your order.
I got the speakers with me.
All right.
And I'm glad I called you because I see you already started on the back.
Yeah.
Glad I called you. But this piece goes along with it. Got some more questions about some more parts.
What you got?
This track that goes up under there. Well,
Just
the other way.
for the brakes?
Yeah. I was wondering, would you be able to connect that? Well, it goes the other way. It's that from New Age.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the connections here.
I'm keep giving you more stuff, cost myself more money, and this go on the side. I was wondering if you can connect that too.
Yeah, I can do that.
That's official. Put that down. I don't think I need the light, but this is actually it was for that King Joffrey Joe, that delete.
Oh, for the delete.
I was like, hell no, I ain't taking that shit.
Nah, I think
Somebody bumped into me one day. I was like, nah, I ain't taking it.
yeah. I had an accident and I had to rebuild the whole back end. So thank God it was on. Yeah, they broke. I have a whole video. They smashed into the back.
Video, but I didn't watch the whole thing.
Yeah,
man.
I rebuilt the whole thing.
I didn't know you rebuilt the whole thing.
Yeah,
Man,
I had to order all this.
This was just trial and error, and you just caught it, or you already knew something about it?
No, I've always worked on bikes.
Okay,
Like I've
okay.
always had my own bike, so I
What
wasn't
about
like.
two wheels?
Yeah, two
Yeah,
wheels.
my man asked me if you do two wheels because he want to come check you.
Yeah, I mean it depends on what he
You need
wants
this
done.
thing?
Hmm? Yeah, just throw it in that little can there. That metal can.
Oh, I see. All right.
So I've always worked on bikes. Like
Right,
to
right.
me, it's like nothing. But
Okay.
when I bought this, it was just like I've been hearing all the stories that people can't get this shit worked on, and the
Right.
dealers was messed up. So I was like, you know, how hard could it be?
No, this dealers is fucked up. That's the truth.
It can't be any harder than when I worked on my two wheel. So basically, it's just really it's having the right tools and the right knowledge.
Right. Okay.
You know, and just, you know, not being scared to be like, all right, well,
Okay. So this shit is basically 1, 2, 3 for you.
yeah. I mean, I don't really run into too many serious problems.
Right.
Like, I mean, I have guys call me and be like, yo, I just got hit by a bus, and, you know, the bike is, you know, in half. You think you could fix it? I'll be like, yeah, call your insurance company, because it's a wrap. So I'll tell you right now, once you bend the frame, there's nothing more I could do for you.
Yeah.
You know?
That's what I was worried about when I looked under my bike. I was like, please don't let this frame get.
So you're actually good though. I saved you on the radiator. I replaced the relay so your fan comes on.
Oh, the fan comes on?
Yeah, I just replaced the relay
Oh, that's
switch.
what's up. Man.
So you don't need a fan. So you're good on that.
Okay.
Yeah. This
Might not be able to do that.
I might be able to do it, but because you're adding this one, there might not be a place for me to put. Unless there's another splitter.
I mean, I think, was there some extra splitters I gave you earlier?
Yeah, I'm just wondering if it's gonna work.
You can keep
with-
those splitters, man.
All right, cool. I'm just wondering if
Oh.
this, because I had to split this
Right.
to get this to work.
Okay.
So now I gotta see if it'll
This
split
is
for this too.
some of them rubber pieces. If you need this to put on the wheels, then I got the other ones I showed too. Oh. This, I got these for the speakers also. I don't know if these are, they might have, I don't know if they.
Where's the speakers?
I mean, I got them in the car.
Let me see what they look
Oh, damn.
Well, if you don't have an amp, we can't connect.
No, I don't have an amp. I got to pick one up. I don't even know which one I should get, man. I'll tell you. I'm going to figure it out.
Let's see. We're gonna do this right here. Let's see if I got another splitter for this.
I go out and get an amp today. All right, listen, I ain't one of them cats who gonna be sitting there talking about,
Nah, man, I'm going to go get it. You tell me which one I need, what's best. I don't know nothing about this stuff. I got all these damn boxes. That's how I can.
So my son does the music, so that's not a problem. Oh, okay, yeah, we did this. So you just need, when you order the amp, you need an amp kit. It's an amp wiring kit.
Wiring kit?
Those are gonna have to go, you know, to put those on, I have to drill.
Oh, damn. So they going to have to go in the bike.
Yeah, I mean, there's really no other place to put it unless you want me to clamp them onto the rear.
I was trying to, see where I got that rubber piece on the wheels?
Oh, you want it on the, you want it on the
I was
arms.
trying to put it on the arms.
Oh, okay. I mean, I can put it on there.
Okay, that's what's up.
A lot of people just bolt it into. Customer wants a siren on the bike, so we're gonna run a siren, and hey, I got a visitor. Dirty bird. So they're gonna run. I'm gonna run this all the way in, and then I'm gonna run this to the auxiliary, so the siren will only be on when the bike is on. All right, so just customer wants a siren installed on their Ryker. So down here, I don't know if you can see, let me shine some light. There's a siren installed in there. See it? Just mounted it. onto the bracket, wired it up to the auxiliary, and now I'm going to test it out to see how it sounds. So you hear it when it starts. It's going to be loud. That's it. So I just installed the siren. Now we're going to finish up because we got to add some more stuff to this bike. It's going to be hooked up for the weekend. So this is a side fender license plate mounting bracket. So it usually goes here onto this. But because we're not deleting the fenders for people who delete their fender, it won't fit here because of this plastic protection piece. So you can't do it. So what I decided to do was mount it under here. So we'll be able to mount his license plate right under there. So this is where it will be mounted. Pretty cool. I don't know if we're going to put the light on, but this is where we're going to mount the license plate. Alright, so I'm going to set up some lights on here, LEDs. We got the LED set, Ryker chaser lights. This is what we got in the box. Stickers, instructions, full set. I'm going to install it on here. It's a plug-and-play system, so we just got to figure out where we're going to put the light. So I just put the first strip of the Ryker chaser lights. If you want to purchase these lights, I'll have a link below. So it comes with a set of 4. So you got 2 A arms, 1, 2 upper and lower, and around the engine. What's good about these lights is that you can put them any other place you want. So they want them underneath, so I'm gonna put 2 underneath and then figure out what I'm gonna do with the other 2. So I'll show you guys in a few minutes.